Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I am continuing with lecture 4 on energy at atmosphere, chapter 4 LEED Green Associate Exam. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Without any further delay, we will move on to our presentation. Well, in today's lecture, we will cover the remaining credits in this category, energy and atmosphere. They are 1. Demand response with 2 points, then renewable energy production with 3 points, and finally green power and carbon offsets with 2 points. So the credit is demand response and it can get up to 2 points. Before moving to the intent, we need to know about what is demand response actually. Demand response refers to balancing the demand on power grids by encouraging customers to shift electricity demands to time when electricity is more plentiful or other demand is lower, typically through prices or monetary incentives. Now we can move on to the intent. The intent is to increase the participation in demand response technologies and programs that make energy generation and distribution system more efficient and increase grid reliability, and also reduces the greenhouse gas emissions. Now let's look on to the requirements for the credit demand response. So design building and equipment for participation in demand response program through load shedding or shifting, and also note that on-site electricity generation does not meet the intent of this credit. And if the demand response program is available, you can go for option 1 and you can achieve 2 points. If the demand response program is not available, you can choose option 2 and there you can get only 1 point. So this is case 1 if demand response program is available. So you need to participate in an existing demand response program and complete the following activities. I'm not going to read this activities, you can pause and read. And this is a case 2 if the demand response program is not available. You need to provide infrastructure to take advantage of future demand response programs or dynamic real-time pricing program and complete the following activities. Here also I'm not going to read these activities. You can pause and read out. Well, the second last credit in this category is renewable energy production and it can get up to 3 points. The renewable energy is energy that comes from a source that won't run out. They are natural and self-replenishing and usually have a low or zero carbon footprint. Some examples of renewable energy sources include wind power, solar power, bioenergy, and hydroelectric, including tidal energy. The intent of this credit is to reduce the environmental and economic harms associated with fossil fuel energy by increasing the self-supply of renewable energy. In order to achieve this credit, use renewable energy system to offset building energy costs. Calculate the percentage of renewable energy with the following equation. Percentage of renewable energy equal to equivalent cost of usable energy produced by the renewable energy system divided by total building annual energy cost. So there is an important point for this credit. Here this credit uses energy cost as a measure, not energy consumption or production in units of kilowatt hour. This table shows point for renewable energy. So from the previous calculation, the percentage of renewable energy, if you obtain is 1%, you can get 1 point except core-and-shell and 1 point for core-and-shell. If it is 3% except core-and-shell, there is no points you can get. But for core-and-shell, you can get 2 points, and for 5%, the respective points are provided. and this is how the table works. The final credit in this category, energy and atmosphere, is green power and carbon offset, and it can get up to 2 points. The intent of this credit is to encourage the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions through the use of grid source renewable energy technologies and carbon mitigation projects. Now let's look on to the requirement for achieving this credit. Number 1 is engage in at least 5-year renewable energy contract to provide 50% or 100% of buildings energy used from green power, carbon offset or renewable energy certificate that upgraded as RECs. And also the green power and the renewable energy certificate must be green energy certified or any equivalent. And this table shows the point for energy from green power or carbon offset. If the percentage of total energy addressed by green power, RECs and or offsets is 50%, the project can get 1 point, and if it is 100%, the project can score 2%. Well, this is the end of today's lecture. We have completed the chapter Energy and Atmosphere for LEED Green Associate exam. Tomorrow we will start a new chapter for LEED Green Associate exam. Till then, bye.